Shall we start a story? Are you interested? Kaivalya, come on! Storybook! Come on, let's sit. Sit down. Panchatantra! Kaivalya! So many animals, Nana.
Let me enjoy the pictures now.
The cobra and the crows. Shall we start this story, Nana, today? Let's start our story.
Yes.
Once upon a time, two crows built a nest in large banyan tree. In a hollow of the same tree lived a black